What's up guys, welcome back to another unboxing video, and for this unboxing video we have one of our Vicrez V3R style front bumper lips, and this is $24.59 if you want to go check it out on the Vicrez website. Now this is for the Chevrolet C8 Corvette fitting 2020 to 2026 models. Now let's go ahead and get this open and we can show you everything that comes inside of it. Now in here we'll have several different pieces as well as included hardware for install. Now this is in gloss black, so all the pieces you see here will be in gloss black. So keep that in mind if you're doing a matte black build or just a matte build in general. This is in gloss, which I do believe we have similar front lips in matte black as well, that you can check out on our Vicrez website. Now for assembly, it's fairly easy. If we take our middle V-shaped piece here, for the Corvette, and we look on the underside, you'll see 3 little posts on each side of it. And then on the connecting pieces, you'll see a slotted piece right here with 3 little holes, and those are for those posts to go inside of. And they should just slot inside each other fairly easy, like so. We can do that on both sides. And then same for our corner pieces. It's the same exact way. There's a slot for it to slot into, as well as 3 different holes. And there will be 3 posts on the underside for those to go into. And those will fit together just like that. And all you'll need for assembly is the bag of hardware and a Phillips head screwdriver. Let me go ahead and open this bag of hardware real quick, because there are several different pieces of hardware in here. So first off, you'll see 2 types of screws in here. We'll have larger screws and smaller screws. The larger screws are going to be for install, and then the smaller screws are what you're going to actually use to bolt the 2 pieces together. So if I just disassemble this real quick and I look on the other side, there will be 3 posts, and then with a little hole in it. You'll simply just thread in the small screws into the little holes and tighten the 2 pieces down. Now you don't want to use the larger screws, because if you use the larger screws, you'll actually crack the plastic and it'll actually break to where you won't be able to use the front lip anymore. So keep that in mind. And then also, you'll have a bolt with a nut that goes with it, and these will also be used for install. So not only will you be bolting in your front lip, but you'll also be using screws to screw it in place. Now other than that, that's pretty much it for this front lip. If you want to see more videos like this one or an install video on this front lip, consider subscribing to our YouTube channel at vicrez.com. Other than that, make sure to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell to get notified when we post more videos like this one. Peace.